Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Rocky Prism Rod Skin in the new Fish Eat Roblox update. So if you want to flex on the docks with the coolest rod skin in the game, the Rocky Prism skin has officially dropped, and this is how it will look like. So let me put it on first on my rod. This is the Rocky Prism Rod Skin, and here I'm going to show you the exact step to unlock this accessories so you can fish in style. So first, what you need to do is just head into the Pirate Cove, and in here there will be a new daily event. So the Christmas event is official over now. You'll see the pirate event, and this is where you need to finish your daily quests. As you guys can see in here, there might be 3 or 4 missions that you need to finish, and after that you'll get the rewards. So as you guys can see, I've already unlocked 3 rewards in here. That includes the Rocky Prism Rod Skin. So if you want to also unlock this one, you just need to finish your daily quest and you'll get these rewards. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.